find it. There he goes. All right, you two. Take him out for a cruise. Listen. It's okay. I got it on video. Listen.
I almost lost my engine there.
I know. Listen. Take a ride around the block. Maybe go out towards 309 and come back. Just so you get a lot of it done. Keep on going. And I'll be filming it.
No,
You too. Jeez, I know. He's an idiot. His trunk's fucking open. I'm still filming. Get out of the way. Get out of the shot.
Sorry, Scorsese.
Just for that, I'm going to put that part of the soundtrack. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Fucking bikers. Oh, he's turning around. Nice. Jesus Christ. Look at this fucking neighborhood. Fucking rotaries take over.